Good morning everyone. Welcome all the students who have been promoted to second year BA Part 2 2021. This is English Literature. Here I am going to discuss the new syllabus for the second year students. We have two papers same as we had in first year. Paper 1 is poetry and drama and it consists of 100 marks and the minimum pass marks are 36, but the duration will be 3 hours. There are going to be 5 questions in all. In the first section, you have 7 poets. These 7 poets are in English literature. First we have Thomas Gray and William Blake, who are transitional poets, and the rest of them William Wordsworth, St. Coleridge, S.T. Coleridge, George Gordon Byron, P.B. Shelley and John Keats. These 5 of them are romantic poets. So, we will understand what is transitional poetry and what is romantic poetry, and we will read all 8 of them, 7 of them. Now, section A has these. Then we have section B. In section B, we have Indian writing in English, that is Indian poets. First, Naseem Ezekiel, then Kamla Das, Arun Kolatkar, A.K. Ramanujan and G. Patel. They have written their poems. Ezekiel has written Enterprise, Night of the Scorpion. Kamla Das writes on My Grandmother's House, The Looking Glass. Arun Kolatkar, An Old Woman, The Bus, Chaitanya. A.K. Ramanujan, Of Mothers Among Other Things, Obituary, A River. G. Patel writes on Killing a Tree and Servants. Then we have section C. Section C is the drama portion. We have 2 dramatists, that is Henrik Ibsen, who has written a very well-known drama, A Doll's House, and Rabindranath Tagore's The Post Office. Now let me come to the marking scheme. There will be, in the first question, there will be altogether 8 passages of 5 marks each, but you have to select only 4. You have to attempt only 4 passages out of the 8 passages, and the first question is going to be of 20 marks. That means if one passage is of 5 marks, right? One passage is of 5 marks, so you have to attempt 4 passages. 4 into 5 is 20. Now let me come to the art of attempting a passage. Suppose you have got to know the name of every poet and his poem. That is why a student cannot leave out anything in the syllabus. One should know the names of all the poets and the poems. This is going to fetch you 2 marks. 1 mark for the name of the poet and another mark for the name of the poem. And the rest of the 3 marks are going to be for the explanation, whatever the lines are given. Again in the class, if we will meet, I will explain it to you. So here comes your first question, and it is advisable that you attempt question number 1, which may be compulsory or may not be compulsory, but it is going to fetch you very good marks. So children, attempt this question, the reference to contexts. Then we have question number 2. Here you will have to attempt 5 questions out of 10 to be answered in about 5 lines each. That means 10 questions will be given, and out of that you have to attempt 5 questions, and each question should be in 5 lines each. Each question will carry 4 marks. That means at least 4 points should be there. And in total, 5 questions into 4, that is 4 marks. So again 20, 5 into 4, 20. So again this question is going to be of 20 marks. This shows that again you cannot do selective study. Every student has to read each and every line, so that every student is able to answer the second question also. It is almost kind of an objective session here, objective questions, so you can get full marks in question 2 also. Then we have section A, that is question number 3, which is going to be essay type. In this you will have essay type questions, and you can attempt any one question out of the 2. So this the other 3 questions will be essay type of 20 marks each, one from each section with internal choice. That means suppose the third question is from section A. So 2 questions might come from any of these poems. So again here you cannot leave any of the poem. You have to understand all the poems, because we don't know which 2 poems the examiner will give us. So in this you have to know the critical appreciation, because the big question is going to be of 20 marks. Then we have question number 4, which will be from section B, that is Indian writers in English. That is Naseem Ezekiel, Kamala Das, Arun Kolatkar, A.K. Ramanujan and G. Patel. So here also we have to got to know all the poems and the critical appreciations of all the poets. Then last will be section C, which is going to be the drama. These 2 dramas are Ibsen's A Doll's House and Tagore's The Post Office. Out of there will be a choice, one question from Ibsen's Doll's House and another question from Tagore's The Post Office. So you have to attempt any one of the 2. So that means you can do any, you can select any one, but our college will be doing A Doll's House first, preferably Ibsen's Doll's House. I will take the Doll's House and make you understand. Nora is a heroine in this, and it is a very interesting play, and it has been for ages and ages. So kindly buy the books, buy Ibsen's Doll's House and Tagore's The Post Office and the poems, the book of poems, so that we can start with the poems as soon as possible. Next we have paper 2, which is prose and fiction. Again it is of 100 marks and minimum pass marks are 36. In this again there will be 4 passages of reference to context out of 8. So you have to attempt 4 passages of reference to context out of 8 passages. Question number 2 will also be compulsory. Here again student will be required to attempt 5 questions out of 10. to be answered in about 5 lines. Each question will carry 4 marks, so again total is 20 marks. The other 3 questions will be essay type questions of 20 marks each, one from each section with internal choice. Section A is by, first these are the writers. 8 writers are there. Radhakrishnan's The Gandhian Outlook, R.K. Narayan's A Bookish Topic, J.B. Priestley, Making Writing Simple, Virginia Woolf's How Should One Read a Book, Leo Tolstoy, 3 Questions, Pearl S. Buck, The Refugees, R.K. Narayan's again Under the Banyan Tree, and Alice Walker's Am I Blue? All these essays are very, very interesting, and we will be analyzing these essays. For this, students, you have to buy these 2 books, An Anthology of English Essays edited by R.P. Singh, Oxford University Press, and The Pointed Vision edited by Usha Bande and Krishnan Gopal. Section B consists of 2 dramas, 2 novels, Chaman Nahal's Azadi and William Golding's Lord of the Flies. Chaman Nahal's Azadi is by Penguin Books Limited, and even the Lord of Flies is by Penguin Books Limited. Section C is very important. It consists of note making, summarizing and theme writing, which are very, very important for all the students. For this, you can buy the book by Vandana R. Singh, The Written Word by OUP, and also any of them, if these recommended books which are written here, if they are available in the market. This book, Mohan Das N.K. Writing Today, Developing Skills in Academic and Workplace Writing, is another book which is really important. So all the best students, I have discussed today both the papers. Please buy the books, prepare yourself, understand the syllabus initially and get set and go. Thank you.